Good day everyone. I'll be teaching you in this video how to know if your page has flash content issue. So stay tuned as we go on. Here we go now. You enter your Facebook, you click on it. This is my Facebook. Then let's move to my page. Here is it, the page I've already loaded. Here they have edit. Then the second one is page status. You click on page status. Look at it. If you can see, my page don't have any issue. One and only Joe page has no issue. Then this one, community standard violation. If content on a page goes against our community standard, it can put the page at risk. Good news, no violation to show. So my page no have any violation. You understand? That's how to check if your page really has violation, because I find out that some people, they were asking question of my last video. How can you check if your page has issue? If your page has flash content issue, you understand? So that's how to know if your page has flash content issue. So if it has, this place that they put page has no issue, it will show page has issue. You understand? And this good news that they put that no violation to show, this write-up won't be here. So they'll put another grammar there. So that's just how it is. So thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to share and like this video. Once again, my name is Joe.